Mania. Can I get 10, please? Thank you, boss. But I got it. But Also, those that got on the farm was their first trip of the night. Party animals. First trip of the night.
Hello. Okay, I think I got it. All right, I'm back in the game. Here, hand that back to Julie, please. Huh? Oh, sorry. All right, it is about time, guys. I finally got new mics today, and I didn't know I had to. I didn't set it up. So, but I got it now. Good thing I brought the instructions with me. All right. Oh, we're in the game. I know. God, man, it was so distracting. You, relax. All right, guys. She's back in the game. So remember, I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but I was gifted a Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI for my birthday in January, and I ended up just buying the same kind of brand, and these are freaking awesome. But I got these as my new mics because I couldn't wait to get my other ones. So we're back in the game. Yes, I did forget. I'm so sorry, Ruby. I thought I would just plug it in and go, but I obviously did not read the instructions. So
I'd like to welcome all of you this evening to Samoan Flag Day Los Angeles for
let's
the evening
go.
session.
Good luck to us, guys.
Before we start, going over some of your bingo rules that's involved with your program.
Ah,
No one under the age of 18 is permitted in the bingo hall. No pens, markers, highlighters are to be used, dollars
all
only.
right. This is my new spray. It's a hand sanitizer. I showed it yesterday. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's a guava glow. Oh my god,
No
it
one
smells
under 18 has alcohol
amazing.
and or drugs permitted in the
But this is
bingo
kind of like
hall.
my little. Thank you, thank you, sis. Thank you,
Players must have the last number 12 for
thank you,
the bingo
Jesse.
to
I
be
appreciate
valid.
you, love. Oh, thank you, May. All right, let's go, guys.
And also no use of
I can
alcohol
breathe
or
because
substances
now my mics are back
immediately
on.
tolerated in the bingo hall.
All right.
Good luck to you all tonight. The balls have been verified. On the count of three, can you all shout out bingo? One, two, three.
Bingo! Us many times tonight, okay?
We're going to start off with some of your pool tabs.
It was so good.
So go ahead and pull out your double blackout serial number ending 407.
Double blackout,
407.
either or, okay?
That's your guarantee pool tab.
Did you get dropped off? It's me, mom, dad, and my sister today. All right, let's go.
Good luck to you all tonight.
Right next to me.
And just a reminder, let's make sure we keep the
All right,
ball
he's in front of me.
playing your double blackout. Double blackout, your first number.
Thank you, guys.
First number, B12, B12. 062, 062. B4, the number 4. B11, B11. B5, the number 5. G16, 60. 66, 66. 061, 61. Your zippers have been sold out. Zippers is up next. And 40, 40.
Thank you, guys.
27,
Thank you.
27.
Come on, let's go. 67.
67, 67.
All right, let's go. 65.
65, 65. 56, 56.
Ooh. I only had 2 on all of them.
Raise it up.
I shall. Hi, Renee. I finally got my mics up. Ruby
Your
was
zippers still tab is up.
Ruby was making fun of me because I thought I did it at home, but I didn't set it up right. So I'm here. All right, that's what we're playing. Okay, zippers. We're playing all down the left or all down the right. Okay.
Lucky ticket.
Let's go.
33,
Let's go.
40, 56 last, free
So
space,
yesterday, if you were
and
on my live,
47, that's one good
thank
bingo.
you, because watching
Any
without
others?
sound and all
Any
that is
others?
crazy. But I won
Your
5 times
Lucina
yesterday.
goes dragging
I
one lucky
won
winner.
a warm-up game for
Your lucky
100.
winner
I
prize.
won 4 times. The warm-up game for 100, two $500 tabs, and then right when it died and I cut it off, I won 11.99 last night. So 4 wins yesterday, yo.
Next pull tab is your zippers.
Let's do it again.
Zippers, ending
Oh,
in
Ruby, I make fun of
9919.
myself all the time, sis. You're okay. I don't take
Payout
myself
for this
serious at
game is
all.
$500. Your first skill numbers up.
So you are good, love. We laugh. 70. Thank you, thank you. I know, man. Yesterday was the nice way to break my losing streak. So it was zippers the 500. It was what was it? Lucky dog.
My last winner, a couple
It was one
nuggets.
of those. Oh, big dog or bad dog or something like that. And then it was a twin action.
Playing your zippers, your first skill number is 070. 70.
Oh, someone's already on. 14.
G14. 14. I-17. 17. And 41. 41.
938. 938.
Before the number 4.
938.
I-30. 30. I-19. 19.
938.
I-27. 27. B-15. 15.
4769. 4769.
G-60. 60.
Hold on, I fuck idea. I'm waiting, guys. 69. 69.
G-47. 47.
69. 69.
And 33. 33.
69.
I-26.
Oh,
26.
69. 69.
G-48. 40.
Come on, 69.
And 45.
Oh,
45 possible.
yo, look at that. Look at it. 70 and then 69. Only needed one number. All right. 35.
Sir, number 9919, check. Let me take your free space. 19. 45 last. 16. And free space. That's one good bingo. Any others? Any other bingos? Here, Lucina, closing that game. One lucky winner, paid the lucky winner, $500. You guys can please, whoever's phone that is, put it on vibrate or silent. Playing your first game of your early bird
All right.
session, game number 1.
This is 3 card double
3-card
lines.
double bingo.
Okay, 3 card double bingo with one wild. Okay, 2 lines, 2 lines, and 2 lines.
Game number 1.
Yes, tonight's a
For your
different hall.
3-card double
It's at the
bingo.
same hall that they do Olafo Long Beach First, but this one is the
First get a roll
Samoan
number,
Flag Day in Los
13,
Angeles. This is their
7.
program, so
5-7.
this group does
Please
this
walk around
bingo.
numbers ending in 7, including the number 7.
So this is my first time at this bingo, but I've been to this hall many times. Excuse me.
Everyone ready?
Yes, let's go.
Your next get numbers up.
Dazzling.
I-28, I-28.
Okay, 3 card, a double bingo.
And 39 and 39. Sellers on the throw the new deal of your money, money, money. 500 full tab, now on the
Thank
floor.
you, love. I appreciate it.
And 33 and 33.
Shit. Can I get 4, please? 4? Yeah. Dazzling.
Oh, 75, oh,
Thank you.
75.
Here, Dad. Hi, Janet. How you doing?
B8, B the number 8.
21, please. Got the instant one, too? Yeah. 26, please. Yeah. Get it.
B5, B the number 5.
26. Thank you. 16.
I-16, I-16.
B9. Come on, 3 card, a double bingo, guys.
B9, B the number 9.
One more, please.
Oh, 73,
Thank you.
oh, 73.
Thank you. 73. All right.
G53, G53.
26. That sounds good, Ruby.
I-26,
Oh, yeah.
I-26.
26.
Oh, 64, oh, 64. Also have a new deal of your double gold and your double up. $500 pull tabs now on the floor.
61.
Oh, 61, oh, 61.
63.
Oh, 63, oh, 63.
All right, come on, Toy. Let's close it up, sis. Let's close up our numbers.
G49, G49.
24, 44, 23, 60. 3 card double bingo.
Oh, 68.
Can I get 10?
Oh, 68.
10? Yes, please. 68. B11.
B11, B11.
Want some candy? Yeah. 43. Thank you. Okay.
And 43, and 43.
30. 2.
B2, the number 2.
45.
and 45 and 45, 7 as well.
Did you get a strip, Mom?
B3, B the number 3. I-29, I-29.
D4. Close this up.
G54, G54. B12, B12.
3-card double bingo.
I-19, I-19. Thank you, Zippers winner, thank you. I-21, I-21.
Wow.
Please, whoever took the tape from up here, the branded tape, you can return it. Thank you. And 42, and 42.
71. Wow, we haven't closed anything yet. 20, 24, 23, 61, 62, 44. Okay, there's one.
071.
We got one. Got one over here.
B1,
52.
B the number 1.
Okay, there's one right here. 52. 52.
G52, G52.
62 takes me down. 34. 1, 2, 34.
And 34, and 34.
All right, let's go. 62 takes me out, and then I need help.
I-22, I-22.
Okay, 25. 24 takes me out.
I-25,
1, 2.
I-25.
That one's done. 24. That one's done. 2. 62, 18, 2 numbers.
I-24, I-24.
20. Okay, come on. We need one more. What do you need, Mom?
I-20, I-20.
Money, money, money. Can't get 21. Yep. 10, 10.
B10, B10 possible.
Thank you.
That's one good bingo. Any others?
3632.
Sheesh. Alright.
And that's
23.
two. Any others? Any others? Here, let's get on closing that game. 2 lucky winners. Please split the prize 2 ways. The next game on is game number 2. Looking for your
Alright, 7
straight
straight lines anywhere. 7 straight lines anywhere. For 3 wilds. 7 straight lines, guys. Ooh.
Game number 2, 7 straights anywhere. 3 wild numbers. Your first is wild 065. I-20.
Yeah. 5, 0.
And B9.
0, 5, 9.
0, 5, and 9 are your wild numbers.
0, 5, and 9.
Please mark it all numbers ending with 0, 5, and 9. follow this game, we'll be playing your Davin 3. Davin 3 is coming up next. Seven straights anywhere. 50 is wild, 40 is wild.
Double up. Can I get 11, please? Oh, yes, just 31. Yes, ma'am.
0, 5, and 9 are wild. Your next number
Thank you.
is 10, 31.
Wow,
3, 1.
going around this way.
14.
B14. 1, 4.
What's up, twin? How you doing, sis? Hi, twin. 1447.
G47. 47. 29 is wild.
Girl, how you been? You been flipping tables lately? Okay, I miss Hawaii so much with our fundraisers. I need to come back. Huh? Go on.
B2. The number 2.
Can I get 2, please? Yeah. Thank you.
G56. 5, 6.
Hi, Nina.
068. 068.
We're looking for 7 straight lines anywhere, okay? 7 straight lines anywhere. And I don't have one yet. 12.
B12. B12. I27. 27. 59 as well.
Okay, so there's 1. Double up. Take 5, please. Yeah.
I22. I22.
I choo choo. Thank you, sis. That's 2.
B3. B, the number 3.
3. 3.
G57. G57. 60 as well.
3. What? 3.
O66. O66. 75 as well.
3. Looking for 7 lines, guys. I have 3. 1, 2, 3.
G51. G51. Thank you to one of the last winners for your kind donation back to the organization.
Hi, Francis. Thank you, love. Thank you.
067.
4.
067.
I have 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11.
Speed 4, the number 4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 11.
G58,
42. Ah!
G58, possible.
Jeez, I had 4 live. I had 4. 4. 11 gives me 2, 5, 6,
Your dad is 3 full
11,
time
and then
minutes.
1. Or 48, 48,
9025.
and 17.
And there you have it.
They got it.
58 laps. That's one good bingo. Any other bingos?
Alright, playing a pull tab.
Fiorentina closing that game with 1 lucky winner. 2 lucky winners. No prize.
What? Enough for me. I only have 3, Mom. I got it.
Not play early birds. We are playing a full tab. Playing your Gavin 3.
It's the winner.
Playing your Gavin 3. Pair number ending in 389.
Gavin 3.
Gavin 3 going off now. Your first good number is 070. 070. 06363. 6, the number 6.
48. Oh, come on. 3 numbers. That's it. 2 numbers, actually.
G48. 48. 11. 11. 065. 65.
40, 60, 130, 172,
G52. 52. Possible.
Sheesh.
Big enough winner.
Not
Thank you.
one. Not one.
Pull out your fireballs. Your fireballs is up next.
Fireball, same kind of game. Tree numbers, tree numbers. Okay.
Pair number 389. Check.
We both have the same number.
Ticket 11. 52 last. And 70. One good bingo. Fiorentina closing that game. 1 lucky winner. Hey, the lucky winner.
Here, Dad.
Play fireball.
All right, let's go.
Ending in 3935.
Let's go. Let's go. 1749.
Play fireball.
10. That's my other one.
First good number is
You
B10.
get 10, please.
10. G56. 56.
1730.
I30. 30.
Cute. 33.
And 35. 35.
46.
G46. 46. 074. 74. G50. 50. G60. 60.
La faca is full of money. You are few
I16. I16. B6. The number 6. Possible.
Not one number, and even with the free, guys. And then mine is 1749. I know. 7, 8. Chase amigos, thank you. Thank you guys, I appreciate you.
3935.
I know, Renee, that was horrible. Both last two pull tabs, not one number. Hi, Natasha. Thank you, thank you.
6 last.
Mark and Betty, where are you guys playing at next? Are you guys doing Wednesday? What are we playing right now?
Fiorentina closing that game.
Oh.
Closing that means with one lucky winner, share the lucky winner $500. Back to your early bird.
Oh, okay.
Your number 3
I'm.
and your
I don't know. I
crazy
still don't know what we're gonna do. If we're gonna be there or live, love, play. But good luck to you. You get it? The crazy bingo, right? Crazy bingo down the BINGO.
and your crazy blackout. Need to straighten out each letter
All right, so this
anywhere on
one,
the
guys,
screen.
the crazy bingo is just a straight
While
line down the
your
B, straight
D9,
line down the I, N, G,
all your odd
O, O,
numbers
and it
are
can be
wild.
anywhere, okay? And odd numbers are wild. 3, 5, 1, 9, 5, 7, 3, 9, 1, 5. Dazzling, can you get 12 roofs, please? 9, 9, 7, 3, 9, 1, 1, 9, 1. Okay. Oh shoot, 72 is not wild. See, but this one is done, so
Thank you, Fireball.
and this is good.
$10 back to your organization.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Okay, so crazy blackout. 37957133113. Wow, all wrong.
13 is off. Only if you're ready, your next numbers on the screen.
All right, so this one is done. Okay, so we have N here. We need B.
Looking for your crazy
Can I get 20?
off 12, your next number is G48. G48.
48, 72, and 8. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you.
I-22. I-22, 73.
60.
Wow.
Thank you, Betty. Thank you, guys.
068. 68. G16.
Okay, so G is done. That one's finished. B2. All right, B.
B2. The number 2.
G. 50. All right, so I don't need this anymore.
G50. 50.
74.
Oh, 74.
Hi, Joshua. How you doing? B12. 12. Okay, so B is done over here. B.
B12. B12.
24.
I-24. 24. Wow. Wow. I-30. 30.
44. N is done. I've got a B over here, N, and then a G. All right, N is
F44.
done.
44.
32. 32.
Both on the floor with your
Okay, we have
last
a
20
B,
strips.
N.
Last 20.
We need an I, 18, 54, and
And
72.
32.
Three numbers.
3, 2, 1.
18, 54. All right, 18. We need two numbers. Two numbers. I. We need 54.
I 18.
54 and 72.
I 1. 1.
54, 72. 54, 72.
1.
10. Two numbers.
B 10.
Right? I'm waiting 54.
1, 0.
Oh, I needed 54. I thought 52. I need 54 and 60, 72.
G 52. 1, 2.
Come on, let's go.
1.
54.
1.
Before. B. I. N.
B 4. The number 4.
G. 46. 14. B. I. G.
B 14. 1, 4.
Oh, we already got those. I need 56.
B 6. The number 6. 1.
42. N. 40. All right, mom got it. Mom bingo.
And 42.
That was mom.
Raise it up.
That's mom. Actually, we just started. Hi, Rico. Yeah, no, we just started with the warm up.
There you have it. That's what you do.
Hey! Okay. All
Other questions?
right, so mom just won the early bird.
Any others?
Look at that. I do fine.
You're
Congrats,
done
mom.
closing
Good
that
job.
game. Well done, you winner. Say the lucky winner. Congrats.
All right, mom starts.
Three plays. Like your three plays.
All right, three play. Okay. Three play. And one on all five, okay?
Three play full tap, ending in 7.
Thank you guys, thank you. Mom, everyone says congratulations.
Ending in
You say, oh,
7.
congratulations.
Thank you.
She said, thank you, everybody.
Yeah, for this game is $500.
All right, let's go.
Play
3,
3 plays. First number 3. The number 3.
33,
And 33. 3 3.
30,
I 30. 3 0. I 21. 9 2 1. And 32. 3 2.
All right, come on. We need two more, guys. Two more.
I 17. 1 7.
All right, we need an N and an O.
And 40. 4 0.
Come on, N and an O. 64, 572,
Oh 73. 7 3.
66. Come on.
Oh 66.
72. Let's go. We're waiting.
66.
We're waiting. 34, 39, 42.
Oh 72. 7 2.
Thank you, Mom.
G 60.
Oh,
6 0.
I had the free space. Look at it. I just waited for any N.
Thank you,
Look at
Matt.
that. Even with the free space, he didn't get it. 34, 39, 42. And they called 32, 33, and 40. Sheesh.
Your double bar mania is coming out next. Double
And then
bar
these two didn't even play.
Here. Give me 10.
702 check.
I'm gonna have 34.
The Devil Mania.
21. 40. 60 less and 72 less.
Rick, I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, whatever you're going through, love, I hope it gets better and quick, okay? And I miss seeing you play and all of my bingo folks. So,
And 72 less.
well wishes to you, love.
7022 check.
Joshua.
30.
Oh.
30.
Can you get 5, please?
33. 60 less.
Thank you. Mom.
And 66.
Mom, how much is you?
That's 3.
Oh,
Any
okay.
others? Any others? You're not closing that game with 3
All right, let's go, guys. This is the next game, Double Bar Mania. It's just four numbers, guys. Okay, four numbers.
Playing your double bar mania, ending in 0310. Double bar mania.
All right, y'all, let's go.
Yeah, for this game, $500. First number is G4747. I-24, 24. I-18, 18. O67, 67. I-16, 16. O71, 71. I-25, 25. G56, 56. B7, the number 7. B1, the number 1. And 32, 32. And 39, 39. 069, 69.
41.
62, 62.
41. Come on, guys.
075,
41.
75.
41.
G52, 52. 073, 73. B11, 11. And 31, 31. G57, 57. And 42, 42.
Come on, 41. 41.
I-21, 21.
41. 41.
B2, the number 2.
See how long? 41. 41.
Oh,
Got it. Oh, that's me in the window. It's me in the window, yo. Look at that. Oh. No, I'm in the window, sis. I'm just checking things out. Ah, they are playing with me. 41 is in the window. Oh, that's horrible. Jules, Fakasi's in the window. That's ours. All right, it's all good. The other ones were on hold. This one got me in the window. So now that means the next one is going to win. Sheesh. Right? Gee, they are. But it's okay. It's coming back.
Your next game up is your first game of your regular session. Game number 1, 5-card crazy bingo. Before we play that game,
I'm so sorry to hear that, love. I am happy that you're doing well. For speedy recovery. Speedy recovery, sis. Oh, I'm so sorry, babe. Well, I look forward to your lives when you're ready to come back. So take care of yourself. That's all that matters, okay?
For this evening is worth $200.
All right,
Your
y'all.
cash flow number is 70.
Oh, 70 is a cash flow.
Right now, take a picture. 70 is your cash flow for this evening.
70 is worth $200 extra.
Game number 1, 5-card crazy bingo.
All right, guys. 5-card crazy bingo.
And any of your 5 cards.
Any of those patterns, 5 cards. Yeah, let's go, guys. Good luck to you too. Mom started it off. I almost got it. This means it's gonna get better.
5 card
Well, I
case
appreciate
bingo,
the
first
support, love, and I
number
know everyone does
19,
too.
519.
All right, let's get this bingo, y'all. Come on. Come on, Rika, let's get this. Ish. Mm-mm-mm.
G49, G49,
Money, 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 money. Money. 49.
and 38, and 38.
67. 67. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh 67, oh 67,
And 45. Come on, y'all.
and 45, and 45. G57, G57,
61. Is it weird, y'all, that
oh
it's all
61,
positive vibes?
oh 61.
Is it weird that like I had now that I bought new mics, right? Loving these. I know I should throw the other ones away, but I didn't throw it away. I left them
Oh 68,
on my desk.
oh 68.
I feel like maybe you give them some time and they'll work again, or should I just throw it away and just cut my losses? Am I becoming a hoarder for holding on to things that are broken?
B3, B the number 3.
That was also rhetorical. Please, no one comment. Thanks. All right.
Oh 63,
12.
oh 63.
All right, we're looking for 5 card crazy bingo, line in and out corner stand for a 6 pack. Any of those patterns on 5 cards.
B12, B12, and 36, and 36, and 31, and 31. I-18, I-18.
15 left.
Dazzling.
G56, G56,
53.
G53,
20,
G53.
please.
Thank you, double bar mania winner.
I
Thank
like
you.
it. Right?
Can he finish mine first, please? Thanks. Thank you.
Bye.
Mom over here thinks she
And
bad
44, and 44.
just because she bingo. 64.
Oh 64, oh 64.
49. And Nina.
number 9. Oh, 73. Oh, 73. G16, G60. Your last I-30, I-30.
25.
I-25, I-25.
Yeah, Mom. There's something in my eye.
I-24, I-24.
Alright. 48. Okay, 48, that's 1.
G48, G48.
57. 47, that's 1.
G47, G47.
46, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4.
G55, G55. Possible.
1, 2, 3.
I got three already.
That's one good bingo.
I had 3 cards. 46 took me out on 4. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. The pattern for this one was a 5-card crazy. So line, corner, stamp, 6-pack, any of those. My red? 5-card bingo stamp or 4 dots only, okay? Stamp or a 4 dot. Yeah.
5-card bingo, stamp, or 4 dots.
5-card stamp or a 4 dot, okay? So any of those patterns, any of those 2. It's a stamp anywhere or a 4 dots connecting.
First commander
Let's go.
is 064, 064.
Diagonal or no?
G50, G50.
Okay. I was looking for 5 cards, either a stamp anywhere or 4 dots. So either one of those 2 patterns.
The number 2. Thank you, last winner. Thank you.
Hi, Poliana.
075, 075.
73.
Yeah, hold on.
37.
073, 073.
นี่เหมือนอยู่
Yo, she show.
อันนี้ไอ้ที่เป็นสารลง
and 37 and 37.
70, 70, 12.
061, 061. Both on the floor, last 10 party animal street. B12, B12.
What's up from Brazil? Thank you for stopping by and watching. I appreciate you.
G51, G51. And 31, and 31.
Julie.
And 39, and 39.
25.
I-25, I-25.
Come on, one card, yes.
G46, G46. G58, G58.
That's one card. Okay, so we need 30, 24, 48.
G60, G60.
Okay. We need 24, 54, 47, 48.
B7, the number 7. B8, B the number 8. I-20, I-20. B3, B the number 3.
You need 19 in your bingo. 19.
I-28,
19,
I-28.
19. You're waiting for that one. If it comes. Yeah, it's full almost. 16's in the window.
I-16, I-16.
No. Oh.
Possible.
Mom was on. Mom was waiting. She needed 16 and she bingos. Yeah, you wait for 16 or 19. Can I get 2, please?
There you have it, that's what we do. Any others? Any others?
Thank you.
Hearing none, Stephen, closing that game 100 winner. May the next winner. Congrats.
Double up. Alright, next game, guys, is 5-card bingos anywhere, line or outside corners, okay. Line or outside corners, okay on this one, okay? 5 bingos.
Next game up is your 5 bingos anywhere.
Okay, so 5 bingo, 5 card, or no, 5 anywhere, so it can be, oh, it can be the same card too,
5
huh?
bingos anywhere.
Yeah, line or
Line or
outside.
outside corners are valid for this game.
Di mo pinko, line nga mo outside. Outside na lang. Line like buffalo. Yeah,
Like outside corner.
yeah. So si Mia, so mangkoy, line nga
Thank you, last winner. Thank
outside,
you.
that like a letter X, that's 3 lines.
Game number 3. 5 bingos anywhere. Straight and outside corners.
Alright, B5.
First gun upper is B5. Being the number 5.
Just your hair. Mom over here is acting all crazy because she being going already. She's telling us to keep up with her.
0627.
Okay, Mom. Whatever you say, Mother. 74.
O yung pamon mo lang, mo rin mo lang.
074. 074.
Pwede malaman pwede.
G57. G57. I-29.
I get 2.
I-29.
57. Thank you.
Dos más.
57. 29.
I-16. I-16.
Alright. 5 bingos anywhere, straight down or outside.
G57. G55.
16.
B13. B13. Nicole will be coming out on the floor with your new deal. 11.99. Gumdrops.
Gumdrops.
075. 075.
Come on. Close us up. Kiki, thank you, sis. Thank you.
I-24. I-24.
Double goal.
066. 066. And 33. And 33.
27.
I-27. I-27. 069. 069. B2. Be the number 2.
60, 61.
And 43. And 43.
We need 60, 61 for 1, 2.
G48. G48. I30. I30.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Bobby. Sally.
B7. B the number 7.
Oh, B1, 17. 1.
B1. B the number 1.
Nina. 68. 9. 9.
B9. B the number 9.
65. All right now. All right now. So 1 or 68, 6,
065. 065.
17. We're looking for outside corners. I have 1 outside right here. 5 anywhere. I'm lying for outside corner.
B8. B the number 8.
Okay, so I have 1. Outside here. 50, 64,
G51.
46.
G51.
38, 34, 46, 1, 35.
And 38. And 38.
20.
And 35. And 35.
171. I have outside line here. 10.
071. 071.
I have 1 line here. 11 gives me 2. Oh no, so
B10.
here.
B10 across center.
Sheesh. I was coming around. Not quite. I only had 1. 12. Oh, right. So I had 1. 12 gives me 2, 3, 3,
And there you
4.
have it. That's one good bingo.
Okay, well, but they got it.
And the others. Pyramid C9 closing my game 1. Lucky winners. Hey, my lucky winner. Our time.
What are we doing?
Go ahead and pull out your
What are we doing?
strips.
All right, ship game. Party animal. This one is just like a double action, either or, but you need a blackout, okay? Those 4 I bought earlier, and these are the last 2 that I got. So let's see how these 2 do. Okay, so the 2 at the bottom are the most recent one that I got. You have the napkins over there, Mom? Give me a napkin, please.
I don't have it.
Oh, all the napkins are right here. Whoa, Mom.
Thank you guys. Your toy says thank you guys winner.
All right.
096, party animal, party animal.
Let's go,
Good luck,
party
everyone.
animal. So far, Mom is the winner. She has one win. We gotta catch up to her and beat her, okay? We need to beat her winnings. Okay, no 64.
Toys say strip before she went down. I'm saying strip right now. Oh, 64.
Taco.
64. 43. 43. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 14. 1 4. 6. Number 6. 21. 2 1. 13. 1 3. 49. 4 9. 62. 6 2. 37. 3 7. Sammy gonna start with your new strip. Crazy Coyote. 9. Number 9. 63. 6 3. 66. 6 6. 56. 5 6. 38. 3 8. 24. 2 4. 47. 4 7. 35. 3 5. 71. 7 1. 53. 5 3. 5. The number 5. 18. 1 8. 29. 2 9. 17. 1 7. 26. 2 6. 4. Number 4. 7. Number 7. 41. 4 1. 67. 6 7. 42. 4 2. 19. 1 9. 33. 3 3. 46. 4 6.
So low.
30. 3 0.
Oh, so shit.
59. 5.
Hey.
We have a winner.
See. Man, guys, okay, I got down to 2, 23, 27, 58, 52.
Check.
Shoot. I don't know. Look at this is what I got. Look at those two.
Check. Check.
Yeah, I know the way they be going hella fast, but look at it. I got down to 2, 58, 52, 23, 27.
Check.
And then I got 3, or then these two, 40, 32, 48, 54. Those two.
36. 43.
So these are the only two that I had that were on.
37. 33.
Okay.
53.
Yeah, that was a workout.
59.
My eyes were everywhere. Want to make sure I didn't miss anything.
63. 71. That is 1.
All right, they got it. Good stuff.
Any other?
All right.
Here you see all this close again with quality winner. Or the lucky winner. Her party animal prize. What are you smoking tokens?
All right, let's go smoking token. This is $11.99. Smoking token. This one is down the left or down the right. This is all us, okay? $11.99. Let's go.
Serial number 870.
Let's go.
Smoking token. This game is played once for $11.99. 68. 68. 43. 43.
Ay, sauro di malimba. Ay, mede.
58. 58. 4. Number 4. 56. 56. 50. 50. 46. 46. 51. 51. 57. 57. 47. 47. 33. 33.
Neighbors.
36. 36. 49. 49. 67. 67.
Jeez, neighbor.
27. 27. 2. Number 2.
All right, let's go. 30, 45.
73. 73.
30, 45, guys. 30, 45.
10. 1 0.
30, 45.
65. 65.
30, 45. Back to back.
64. 64.
30, 45.
42. 42. 66. 66. 18. 180. 17. 17. 22. 22. 37. 37. 38. 38.
Mom was waiting on B11. Look at my two. 30, 45 didn't even come. Neighbors. I know. 30, 45. Nothing close there. Nothing right here. 1263. Well, Mom was waiting on B11. 22 set her. 22 set her up.
Sure, you check.
I know. Yeah. I had a free too in the B.
38 bags. 57 and 73.
All right.
That is one. Any others? Any others? If not, we close the game with one lucky winner. Be a lucky winner. 11.99.
11.99. Play another tab. Play another
Play
tab.
green diamond. Green diamond.
Oh.
079.
Dazzling diamond. Dazzling dollars. Okay. You're still in dazzling dollars. 5 numbers. I got it, Mom. Hold on.
Can I?
Dazzling dollars.
Mom, play that one. Yeah. Let's go, guys. This is us.
First number. 47. 69. 45. 37. 58. 11. 38. 10.
Come on. Been waiting. 42. 42, 33.
20.
Oh, man. 42, 33, guys. Ah, look at that. 10 set me up. 42, 33. Sheesh. Hey, don't play with that. That was fast.
Zero check.
Put it right here.
24.
That's why this is here.
37. 47. And 69.
All right, Tom.
That's one. Any other? Any other?
Right, Renee, too many times.
If not, we'll go today with quality winner. And we'll have to win $500. Back to your match, looking for 5-card express.
All right, looking for 5-card express.
In and out.
In and out corner, snap anywhere, and a line. We need 5 cards. 5-card express. Right? I've already been in the window on one of the pull tabs. Hella waiting on the tabs. Let's get it. Let's get the paper too.
Your first winner. B4. The number 4. Oh, 63. Oh, 63.
All right, let's go. 5-card express, guys. 5-card express.
I-16. I-16. Oh, 66. Oh, 66.
Sid Hall. 4, please.
Cheap 54.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheap 54. B14.
4.
B14. And 33.
19.
And 33. I-19.
In and out. 5-card express. Yeah. In and out. 52.
I-19.
5 cards, Mom. Not anywhere. Gumdrop. Can I get 20? Yes,
Cheap 53.
Can I get 10?
Cheap 53.
69. Thank you.
Oh, 69.
You're welcome.
Oh, 69.
It's there.
B11. B11.
42. 5 card express.
And 42.
Listen, if I can go to sleep and still play bingo, we can
And
do it.
42.
But naps are nice, sis. Enjoy your naps. I know I do.
G16. G60. Oh, 71.
Last call, there's a par three ball.
Oh, 71.
Last call, par three ball. Safari. Par three ball.
G52. G52. G56. G56.
Double gold, last step.
Oh, 72. Oh, 72.
Do 9.
G59. G59. G48. G48. I-20. I-20.
Hi, Terry. How
And
you doing?
43.
22.
And 43.
Oh, no 21.
I-22. I-22. Impossible. In the
I
front.
need 75,
High card
68,
express.
70.
39196. Is that your top left? Thank you. That's 1. Middle left diagonal, that's 2. Stamp in blue, that's 3. Top right, nothing. Middle right, nothing. Bottom right, 4. We need one more. Any others? There it is. The two.
In the window,
22
73.
left.
73 is in the window.
Oh, 73. Oh, 73.
All right.
39196 is 1. That's 2.
What happened, Dave? Don't put me in the window when you're games. It's okay. It's her fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Right? You get 8, please.
If those go score 3, lucky winners.
You want some candy?
Prize for your win.
Help yourself to whatever you want, sis.
Still in the pack. Crazy T or L.
Alright, 2-card crazy TRL. Thank you. Thank you. Help yourself, sis. Alright, 2-card crazy TRL. One more, please. Okay. Okay, to get the last one. Thank you.
G16.
Alright. 2-card crazy TRL. Zeros are wild.
Number 1.
Alright, crazy TRL. Zeros are wild. So if you never play this game, inside corners do not count. So I'll block those out to show you. So if they call a number, I won't need it. Crazy TRL. Zeros are wild. Alright. So on these one, guys, if they call any of these numbers on the inside corner, no need.
Snack bars on the floor.
So I don't need anything that's in red.
He had it everything. Zeros are wild.
Alright, let's go.
Crazy T or L. G53.
Okay, and then we're looking for 2 cards.
G53.
2-card crazy TRL.
One lucky one.
I-29. I-29. B14. B14. G52. G52. I-22.
50. If they're on the inside, see like where the red dots are? Like this one right here? I don't need it because we're looking for a pattern. It's a T or L. This is the pattern. Okay, so
67.
like that. Or like that. See? A T or a L.
067.
Yeah, so for this game, we don't need it.
063. 063. 074.
Yes, because Renee
074.
or Ruby or anyone else who's been here for like a while will know, always tell me because I talk a lot and sometimes I actually do miss the numbers. So, so I appreciate it.
B3. B1. And number 1.
1 and 11. Money, 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 money. Money. looking for two cards.
B11. G47. G47. Thank you, Dazzling, you're the winner. G46. G46. And 34.
49.
And 34. G49. G49.
Excuse me.
I-17.
B9, Nina.
I-17. B9. B9.
Two numbers, three numbers.
Oh, 64. Oh, 64. And 44.
All right, come on, friend. Close
And
us up.
44.
Close us up.
Oh, 66. Oh, 66.
Oh, thank you, love. I appreciate you.
B2.
48.
G48. B6. B6. I-18. I-18. B12. B12. B7. B7. I-26. I-26. B13. B13. Thank you.
37,974.
Thank you.
37974.
3774. That is one.
37957.
37957. That's two.
37952.
37952. That's three. Three winners. Any other? This time we're closing in with three, but the winner still tries to grow. Still on your back. I stand anywhere. No problem. God stands anywhere machine. I 20. I 20. And 40. And 40. The 11. The 1-1. I 25. I 25. G 59. G 59. Oh 67. Oh 67. And 42. And 42. B6. Number 6. G 47. G 47. Oh 69. Oh 69. G 52. G 52. And 33. And 33. Oh 75. Oh 75. G 60. G 60. So far, three balls closed. Come to base. Oh 65. Oh 65. Oh, 73. Oh, 73. D4. The number 4. D14. D14. I-21. I-21. We have a still on aisle number 2, please. B2. The number 2. B12. B12. I-18. I-20. J54. J54. Oh, 63. Oh, 63. Oh, 70. Oh, 70. And 41. Raise it up. In front, sit. Three, zero, 1, 6. And 35. And 35. I-22. Yeah, possible. That is 1. That is 2. And the other. And the others. This time we'll do 2 of the winners with the prize 12. It is not your definition. Wait, wait. But it's part. It's part of your reward. The series number 463. Safari 3 ball. 1 of 9. Here we go. 22. 65. 69. 16, 53, 17, 68, 40, 14, 71, 23, 8, 49, in a front.
Hold on, I'm just doing my stuff.
23, 49 minutes, and 65. That is one. Any others? If not, most people go the winner. Hello, winner. Right. It is very good to share. Toys forward. 0. Zeros.
Okay. How we doing now? Okay. How we doing now? The mic on? Mic check, mic check. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like such a rookie now. Okay, here we go.
Six, three, one. Play your double goal. Good luck, everyone, on your second half.
Alright. Double gold. Yeah, she was right. I had to sync it and I didn't, so
First bid
I'm learning.
32.
Can I get one? One that makes a pot.
59. 43. 8.
Alright, can you guys hear me now? Are we back in?
75. 60.
Sheesh.
64.
Alright.
48. 61. 33. 13. 62. Ready, set.
Love it, love it. Alright.
Spirit number check. 13. 32. 3 spades. And 62 laps. That is 1. Any others?
Yes, can I get 20, please?
If not, those games are one of winner. Get a winner 5 of love. Back to your bag, looking for 6 cards. Hardwood triple dot.
6-card hardware triple dive.
And go back.
Thank you. Alright, 6-card hardware triple dive and no diagonals. Alright, so now I just gotta figure out how long the mics last. You know, the battery charge so that can plan accordingly. Since I have the case here, I can just keep the other ones charged. So
and 36. And 36.
60. So that's gonna be my homework is to
G60.
see how long they'll last and what the battery life is.
G60.
And the cool thing is it comes in its own charging case, so that's the other one is charging as we speak.
Oh, 62.
All right, let's get this win. Second after
Oh,
that.
62. Thank you, double gold winner. Oh, 69. Oh, 69.
That's right. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, 66. Oh, 66. Charlie's on the floor with your last strip of the night. And green horses. Oh, 73.
There's a comedian out there.
Oh, 73.
All right. Good vibes, good energy. Let's get this second half, okay?
D6. The number 6. G58.
Oh, these are good.
G58.
32.
And 32. And 32. And 39. And 39.
13. Looking for a 6 card triple dot. Hard way,
B
no free
13.
space.
D13. G46.
Not yet, sis. Not yet, twin. I have it.
G46.
Mom won earlier on the early bird. And then that's it for today. Yesterday I won 4 times. Mom won once.
I-17.
Dad missed his bingo. So today we try to catch up at least to my wins yesterday.
I-17.
Or just one. That's all. Just one. Not greedy. You know?
Oh, 63. Oh, 63.
All good, sis. Mom's more important, so I'm glad you're driving safe.
B4.
Okay, that one's done. And I'm glad you're back, twin. Thank you.
B4.
8.
B8. The number 8.
20.
I-20. I-20.
75.
Crazy Coyote's closed. Coming up next.
Come on, 61, 61, 61.
Oh, 75.
71? Okay. Well, close enough.
Oh, 75.
71. Come on, you should need 2 numbers. I need 10, 10, and 61. 10 and 61.
071. 071.
Before. 6 card highway triple dot.
G54.
18.
G54. I-18.
Oh,
Crazy.
jeez. I thought I was over here close. Yeah, so 61 took me out on 3 cards, and then 10 took me out the other 2. Alright, playing a strip game, I believe. Alright, Crazy Coyote. Okay, this is a strip. Okay, 3 dots on each card. Okay, 3 dots on each card, and then it's a blackout. Twin, I hear you 1000%. But I hope you're taking care of yourself. Because it's real. It really is. I hope you're taking care of yourself, though.
Don't forget your last taboo tonight. Double stop.
Alright. Yes, let's get this. Let's get this.
Crazy Coyote. 57. 58. 9. 72. 31. 11. 66. 12. 50. 62. 13. 7. 32. 39. 24. 23. 64. 69. 2. 71.
Sorry, guys. I'm trying to concentrate.
8. 21. 28. 68. 73. 29. 20. 34. 15. 22. 5. 47. 48. 35. 51. 30. 4.
No, so do that fucker here.
40.
Oh no! I needed 54.75. 54.75. Look at that. That one right there. I was trying to catch up. 54. No 75. And then this one I had 1 and 2. 14, 19. 55, 56. Jeez, guys, that was fast.
40 left. 73.
What are you waiting for?
8.
54.75.
48. 62. 13. 48.
Yeah, that was quick.
64. 5. 29. 62. 22. 30. 62. That is one.
Sheesh. All right.
If not, of course, game with one lucky winner. A lucky winner.
Crazy.
Back to your pass.
All right, looking for 2 crazy kites and 6-pack anywhere and over that. So 2 crazy kites and a
Anywhere on
6-pack.
sheet. No overlap.
2 crazy kites and 1 6-pack anywhere, no overlap. Can I get 4, please? Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Thank you, strip winner. $10 back to your organization. Thank you and thank you.
Angry. Alright, so again, 2 crazy kites and 1 6-pack. Anywhere overlap, okay. Oh, no overlap. Yeah, 2 crazy kites and 1 6-pack. Anywhere, no overlap. You know,
74.
yeah.
074. Maybe 2 crazy kites and 6-pack. Anywhere. No overlap.
I know, and this one is easier though because you can dab, you have to dab everything.
Bo and Sheila is coming on the floor with your last game, your double action. $3 a sheet if you wish to play. Please see one of them as I walk the floor. $3 double action. G52. G52. And 40. Then 40. Oh, 75.
Gumdrops. Gumdrop.
Oh, 75.
Can I get 22, please? Yeah. 75, 32. Oh, thank you. 25.
And 32. And 32.
Thank you.
Yes, you see, forever.
32.
Welcome.
And 33. And 33.
All right, looking for a 1 1 6-pack and 2 crazy kites anywhere.
G54, G54.
Excuse me, anywhere, no overlap.
I-21, I-21.
Hella rude, says hella rude. A6.
G56, G56. O62, O62.
Finish this one.
G60,
Zippers, last call.
G60.
67. It's thirsty.
O67, O67.
You're good, sis. You're good. You know me, I'm forever being nosy too, so. Double stuff. Can I get 20, please?
O61,
And I get 7.
O61. I-29,
7 for me, yeah.
I-29.
P11.
P11, P11. G48, G40.
G48. 48.
And 35,
48.
and 35.
48. 35.
G50, G50. B12, B12.
Alright, come on. Close up something, guys.
G53, G53.
But I cannot get 3.
G59, G59.
24.
I-24, I-24. I-17, I-17. I-27, 527.
66. Can I get 4, please? Yeah.
064. 064.
18. Thank you.
I-18. I-18.
28. Alright, come on, let's go. I need 66, 16, 26, 63.
I-28.
So go.
I-28.
63 or 16, 71. Alright, I need 2 numbers.
071. 071.
10, 10, 10, I need 46. 46.
B10.
65.
B10. Oh, 65.
63, that's 1.
Oh, 65.
Too crazy. Crazy. 6 back here. 63, that's 1. 63. 63.
Oh, 63. Oh, 63.
9. Crazy kite.
B9.
46.
Number 9.
46. 46. Okay, so there's 1 crazy kite.
G46. G46.
It's 7.
D15.
Sheesh.
Possibles. 15 laps. There's 11.
Gosh, that was an interesting game. I only had
I don't
1.
like it,
Well, that was a lot.
That's 2. One more.
40363.
That's 3, folks.
Alright, that's crazy. That was a lot.
now I got
Oh,
so what number it is?
4023.
This is phone number four.
Wait. One more. That's 4. One more.
wow, out of 22, he only gave me 1 number.
That's 5.
22, 1 number for
5
Gumdrops.
winners. And the others.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
Here in Casino winners, closing this game with 5 lucky winners. Split that prize, 5 winners.
What are we playing now? Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Want to double up, full tap, double
Alright,
up.
full tap time. Okay. I'll double up, guys. Double up.
Can you double up tap,
4 numbers.
740. 740, can you double up, good luck.
Let's go.
First number. 19.
15.
58. 3.
Is it 4, please?
66.
Oh, okay. 46.
46. Possible. Raise it up.
Only 5 numbers. That's good.
46 last.
These two didn't even play, guys.
Your money tap. So
Alright, let's
so
go.
the next. Money.
Money. This is this one. And then they're downline ones.
The horse on.
Yeah, just 3 numbers. Like uh-huh.
Serial number check. Money numbers. 3. 19.
2, 3,
46 last.
7,
46. Winner.
12. It's just 3 numbers, yeah. 5.
Any others?
2, 3, 7, 12, and 15.
Double up tab. Winner. Get that one. For the prize. What's your money tab? Money.
Here, Julie.
Last trip.
Serial number 864.
Let's flip this.
864. Put your money. Get up.
Come on, let's go.
Your first number.
What is it?
47. 28. 7. 3.
That one's out. That one's out.
15. 45. 5. 59. 40. 41.
Yeah. My row got it, but I'm the wrong one.
75.
Look at that.
Possible.
Look at my row got it. I need 30. I had the 15 row.
Serial check.
Old school.
The numbers. 15. 45. 75 last. Okay, winner. Anyone else?
No.
Anyone else? Clear to see no winners. We have closed one winner. Get that winner prize. Thank you, double up winner. Thank you. Going back to your packs, game number 9.
I think there's 6
Six
big
goes
ones
anywhere.
anywhere. 9 or
The
outside.
lines and your outside corners are good. Good luck.
Come on.
First number is G58. G58. Odd 20.
5 more strips.
Odd 20. Oh, 63. Oh, 63. G47. G47. Oh, 66. Oh, 66.
Thank you. 6 bingos anywhere, line or outside corners only.
B3, number 3. And 43, and 4-3. Thank you, winner. Thank you. 065.
No, this is number
065.
number 9. So 6 card or 6 line bingo. Lines are outside corners.
G52. G52. B11. B11. And 40. 40. G48. G48.
Double stuff.
071. 071.
Double stuff.
073. 073. G57.
Double stuff. 4, please.
G57.
Yeah. Cute. Thank you.
I-26. I-26. And 34. And 34.
I don't even have one or anything looking close to order. This
And
one.
44. And 44. I-23. I-23.
10. 69. Thank you, sis. Thank you, Tween.
D10.
Got a number.
D10.
13. Oh, $4 playback gave me 2 numbers.
B13. B13.
69. I don't even have one.
I-18. I-18. O-64. O-64. G51, G51.
7, 7.
D7, number 7.
This your bingo.
M31, M31.
68, 68. Look at this. So 61 gives me 1, 2,
Oh, 68.
24.
Oh, 68.
You should have given a wild number for this one. Okay, so I have 1 and 1. I have 1, 2,
I-24.
49.
I-24.
Okay, so I have 1 here. I need 61.
G49.
50.
G49.
60 gives me 3. I need 60. And 1.
G50.
Double door.
G50.
15 gives me 1. 2. I'm waiting. That's not gonna be up. I need 60. 60 and I bingo. 1, 2.
B15. B15.
Come on. I need 60 and I bingo. There's 1. 60. 60. 1, 2.
Oh, 62.
Oh.
Oh, 62.
Look, guys, I had 2 lines.
Raise it up. One more in the back.
60, 60, and 60. Look at that.
One, Charlie.
I had the 15 took me out up here. 15 took me out up here, and 15 took me out at the bottom, the outside corners. And then 60, I needed 3 of them.
That's another one. See it? Anyone else?
3 of them, 3 60s, and it took me out. Sheesh. Only outside corners, twin. Only outside corners.
42002. Clear away.
Man.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
I needed
Raise it up.
60. That would have took us out.
40352. 40352, folks. Yeah. Clear away.
Pick up 40954.
That's 3. Are there any others? Any others? Here to see the winners?
No.
Opposed to that prize, 3 winners. 3 winners.
All right. Full time.
Off your strip, your angry horse strip.
Okay. Angry horse. Angry horse. 3 dots on all 5 squares. Okay.
Serial number for your strip game, 793. 793, put your angry horse strip. Good
Let's
luck.
go. Come on, let's go.
Triple it out on all 5 squares.
This is my guava spray. It's hand sanitizer, but
Good luck.
it smells good, so
First to number.
come on then. Come on, Gina.
26. 26. 25. 25. 18. 18. 4. Number 4. 6. 17. 50, 50. 11, 11. 24, 24.
11, 24.
19, 19. 12, 12. 59, 59. 32, 32. 3, number 3. 44, 44.
44.
20, 20.
20.
63, 63. 16, 16. 14, 14. 13, 13. 57, 57. 56, 56. 9, number 9. 38, 38. 21, 21. 7, number 7. 62, 62. 49, 49. 27, 27. 47, 47. 60, 60. Possible.
There's 60 and then they bingo on 60. Look at that. 5, 35, 74, 58, 51, 8, 37, 75, 66, 65. And not one of those numbers match. Sheesh, but they got it on 60.
Check.
And it popped. See, 60K. That's crazy. This one, nothing.
Check.
10, 67, 5, 51.
60 last. That's 2.
Sheesh. Okay.
Check. That's 3. Check. That's 4. And that's 5. That's 1. You got one more in the back? Raise it up.
All right, we have 3 pull tabs left. We have 3 paper games left, and then double action. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 more games, guys. 7 more games.
Check. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4.
Yeah, drink. Thirsty.
60 last. That's 5. 2 good winners. Anyone else? Anyone else? Here to see all the winners. Closing your strip. 2 winners. Split 500. 2 winners. Pull out your Gumdrops. 1199. Your Gumdrops.
All right, Gumdrops, this is us.
Your Gumdrops.
$11.99, this is us. Okay? 5 numbers.
Serial number ending in 010.
This is me. Let's go.
0, 1, 2, play your Gumdrops, 1199.
Gumdrops. Let's
Good luck,
go.
everybody. First number. Play your Gumdrops, 29. 43. 2. 72. 36. 62. 15. 65.
Ruby, no. Twin, she's good. Right, Dean? Yeah.
6.
She's all good. That's my twin.
38.
Okay, come on now.
8.
Yeah, twin is good. We flip tables on.
18.
We about to flip a table if we don't win. Hello?
27. 60. 46.
45, 33,
32.
59.
59.
Okay. Let's go. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3.
64.
24, 25, 28, 20,
16.
49. Oh no, 50, 54,
49.
Okay, two more. Let's go. 958.
39.
958. 958. 958.
23.
48. 58. 958.
48.
Sheesh.
Possible. 48 left. Finish it up.
Look at that, guys. 958. 958. It's alright. We still have other tabs. Two more tabs.
Serial number 0, 1, 2. 20 tab. 2, 27. 43. 48 last. 62. One good winner. Are there any others? Any others? Here you can see the other winners closing the Gumdrops. One winner, yeah, winner 1199. Clutch your zippers tab. Zippers.
Alright, y'all. Here we go. Zipper.
Zipper, serial number everything 637.
Left on the right. Let's get it. 371, guys. 371, okay? 371. That's ours.
Page zippers, all on the left,
371.
they're all on the right, to the left.
371, back to back.
First number for your zippers. $46. 43. 45. 62. 15. 47.
Hold on, that fuck out, yeah. Come on. 71. 71. 71.
3. 75.
Come on, 71. Pop. Let's go.
17. 2. 74. 52. Possible.
71. Look at that. 71, 62, 74, 75. Look at that. 71. Man. Oh, man. Even with the three free
Sure, check.
Sheesh.
Left side, 15. 47, 52 left. Only winner. Are there any others? Any others?
All right, let's see. We have one more pull tab left.
One winner.
One more pull tab left.
On your last tab, your double stuff.
All right, let's go double stuff. This is the last tab. Double stuff. They played this in 2 ways, I believe. Okay, let's go.
This is a 2-part game. You're playing your first part for a 250. Good luck. Thank you, Zippers winner. Thank you. And your double stuff.
Okay, let's go, guys.
41. 8. 33. 23. 68. 71.
Here's my 71.
45. 21. 67. 59. 29. 39. 51.
Come on, 1324.
6. 5. 47. 30. 75. 58. 27. 57. Possible. 57 last.
All right, we got one more chance.
See you on for your second part.
1324. I'll take a $50. Let's go, 1324. 1324.
Serial number check.
Serial number check.
Winning numbers 57 last, 39, 47, 27. One good winner. Anyone else? Anyone else? And see those winners. Closing your first part. One winner. And that one nice prize. Continue on for $50. Good luck. 53. 53. 52. 52. 2. Number 2. 34. 34. 73. 73. 56, possible. There's it up,
Wow.
56 spots.
Nope. All right, that's all for the tab. So we just have 3 more paper games, and then 2 more two more. What is it? Double actions. Thank you, love. You too, friend. You too.
Sir, check. Your winning tab, 56 class, 6, free space, 21. Score the winner. Anyone else? Anyone else? See no winners, closing your second part. The double stuff, one winner. And one winner prize.
All right, back to the game. Pivot game.
Moving on back to your packs, King 10.
Looking for 2
Two
easy
easy
wins,
play
2
lines,
hard
2 hard
wins,
lines.
and 2 hard wins.
Total of 4 lines. Good luck.
2
Two
easy and 2
hard.
hard.
First number. I-18.
Oh, no overlap.
I-18. O67. O67. I-24. I-24.
Thank you, Samantha. I appreciate you, man. And I still have her. Yep.
I-27.
I still have my backpack. 27.
G56. G56. G49. G49. O69. O69. G59. G59.
Too easy or and
B9, number 9. And 43 and 43. And 45 and 45. B1, number 1. G58, G58. I-25, I-25. I-21, I-21.
Okay. Again, looking for two easy and two hard ways. No overlap.
B6, number 6. And 38, and 38. G46, G46. O68, O68. O73, O73.
So we have one easy before. I have one.
B4, number 4. B14, B14. G52, G52. B2, B number 2.
Is it one?
O71, O71.
17 gives me the two easy.
And 37,
55.
and 37.
60.
G55, G55.
Alright, one easy, one hard, two hard ways. Wait, 42? Oh, there's no 42. I only have one 75. The hell was I doing?
O75, O75. Possible on the back, raise it up. And that's one.
Man, okay, I only have one.
75
Sheesh.
last. Are there any others? Any others? Never seen no winners, can you close the winners? Then that winner prize. And you get whatever, your 3 6-packs anywhere?
Alright, three,
Sorry, 3
six,
cards, 6-pack.
3 cards, 6 pack.
3 cards, 6-pack, and left. First number.
3 card, 6 pack.
O72. O72. O63.
This one. After this, 2 more games than that. Yeah, so 3 more altogether.
G50, G50, D7, number 7, D9, number 9, G55, G55, O62, O62, N31, N31, D6, number 6, O64, O64, N43, N43,
Three card six back. Three
by
card
25, by 25,
75.
O75, O75, I18, I18, G52, G52,
38, 56.
O73, O73,
60, 56.
O69, O69, N34, N34,
38, 60, 56. 32, 53.
O67, O67,
42. All right, come on, guys. I need three numbers. 38, 56,
G60,
46.
G60, G46, G46,
Before.
G54, G54.
Man, come on.
The double action is now closed. Double actions are closed. Please do not ask for one when the game starts. There's no more.
Auntie, no, not yet.
B4, number 4.
We're at the Samoan Flag Day, LA. Paul, it's where they play Olafo Long Beach first, the one on Wardlow. Yeah, but they play here on Tuesday, so it's my first time here at this one. But only mom won.
I-19, I-19.
Yeah, so this is the second to the last paper game. And then we have double action, and then that's it for tonight.
B14, B14.
Alright, come on, guys. 3 cards. Look at 56, 39, 38.
B1.
32, 53.
B number 1.
And there's 59. So we need 1, 2, 3 numbers. 3 numbers.
G57.
Look at that. I needed 3 numbers, and then someone yells bingo. Sheesh. That ain't no wild numbers either. So after this is this last paper game, which is 7 lines anywhere, and then double action, and that's everything. So thank you everybody for rocking with me. Thank you to my mods. Thank you so much. To Ruby, to Renee. That was Adrian. Let's do 7 straights. 7 straights anyway. That's cool. Let's do it. I know. Last paper game and then double action. So
21.
7 lines anywhere. 1.
55.
And 5 to
These
1.
are all the numbers. 1 and 5, 1 and 5 are
1 and 5 are
At this
1.
time, on behalf of the LA Samoan Flag Day, Bingo Management, Bingo staff, I want to thank you all for coming out, spending your Tuesday evening with us. Special thanks to those who won and donated back to the Flag Day, as well as volunteers. Thank you. As you leave us tonight, don't forget your belongings. Drive safe, don't forget to buckle up. Good luck on your last 2 games.
Let's go. Let's get it, guys. 7 straights. 1 and 5.
Thank you, last winner, for your $10 donation back to the Flag Day.
Ooh, we got
Thank you.
1 line.
Play your 7 straights and 32.
Apple action.
Total donations
1
for
and
tonight,
5
$75.
here.
75.
32.
$20 donation from the last winner to the Flag Day. Thank you, Rich. 7 straights anywhere? You guys need more time?
Wait.
B12. B12.
12 and 32, Mom. Yeah, 12 and 32.
068, 068.
One in five. Okay, 1 in 5 is 68. Mom dabbed the wrong numbers again on the wrong game.
B3. B number 3.
1 in 5, Mom.
Oh, 63, 063. Oh, 73, 73. And 38, and 38. And 43, and 43. G60, 60. Oh, 67, 67.
There's 1.
24, 24. I-18, I-18. G53, G53. I-27, I-27. G50, 50. G57, 57.
So there's 64. That's 1, 2,
Oh, 64, 64.
2, 3,
B2, B number 2.
4, 4,
I-23, I-23. And 39,
Oh, man.
and 39.
I have 4.
Possible, raise it up.
I have
49 last.
42006.
Sheesh. I thought I was doing something.
That's 139 last. Anyone else?
4, 35, 4,
Anyone
5,
else? You're
6.
ready to see the winners? Can you close one winner? Look at that winner right prize. Pull out your double action, your last
Ah.
three.
All right, guys. Last game of the night. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate y'all coming over. All right, let's do double action. Last game.
Skills ready to reverse.
Oh,
Reverse skill.
mom, reverse. Okay.
And your double action.
57 and 75.
G57 and 075.
61 and 16. Let's go, guys.
Those
Last
61
game.
16.
Bingo out the door. Yeah.
63 and 36. Oh, 73 and 37. G58, G58. Thank you, last winner. Thank you. And 44 and 44. And 39 and 39.
60 and 6.
G60, G60.
B6.
And B6. I 29, I 29. I 28, I 28. G47, 074. G46, 064. B9, number 9.
12 and 21.
B12, I 21.
2 and 20.
B2, I 20.
I might. Yes.
Oh,
Still not
72, I
sure.
27.
But the possibility is very high.
I 25, G52. G50 and B5. B8, number 8.
70, B7.
Oh, 70, B7. Oh, 67, 67.
3, 4, and 43.
Your 35th number for 1500, then 34, and then 43. Here to see the winners on 43, continuing on for $500. 15 and G51. G53 and 35. O65 and G56. B13 and 31.
30 and 3.
Bingo on 31. Not between on I-30. B3.
Yeah, you bingo, 66.
Bingo, raise it up. 3 laps.
Thank you. I didn't catch that.
Broken winner, 3 laps.
All right, that is everything. Thanks, guys. I still needed 3 more, but thank you, Ruby. Thank you, Renee. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I probably will be at St. Joseph, but we'll see. Y'all have a good night. See you later. Bye. Bye, guys. Ooh.